Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to archive a content on your Instagram account by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and after that you will be bring into the home sections right here, right? So that we need to go into our profile by go click this part. And now you can see, let's see my picture on my profile. You can see here I have these three contents. One is a bear and two of them is a flower. So let's just organize them so that there is no content out of the flower that appear on my profile. So we need to make this content disappear. You don't need to delete them, you just need to keep them to make them disappear. So the way to do that, go click open the content, and after that go click the three small dots and just go click archive. That appear on the first row of the options, and this content will be disappear from your profile. So that is the way, guys, how to archive content on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.